Welcome back, Gilligan family. Can I call you that? Is that okay?
Welcome back, Gilligan Bus family. We're here with another episode of Justin's fabulous show about turning a school bus into a tiny house.
That was great.
Thanks, I feel weird.
We're converting a school bus into a tiny house, as you know, and that does not make any sense. She's right. I'm an idiot. Please. By the way, rocking some great bedhead. It's not that easy to put a whole house in a school bus. And one weird thing is doors. For example, this bathroom door right here. I wouldn't want to have to open this. Well then how do I get past that? Like, let's not hinge the door on here. The other thing is that we could do the sliding door so we could put the track and everything. That doesn't really work because our door is floor to ceiling. And I don't feel like losing headspace up here. And also, those things rattle in my opinion. They're just like sitting there. Well, I've seen some other bus converters do this and it's a fantastic solution. We're gonna put 3 heavy drawer slides on here. That's gonna give us a door that is practically super flush. That door is basically always gonna sit here unless you wanna close it to use the bathroom. That's our door, let's build it.
I am painting the door for the bathroom on the bus. I'm gonna be using a magnetic primer and then a chalkboard paint. This is gonna get Nova a little art space for magnets and chalk drawing and learning her alphabet and her numbers. So I'll show you the product that I'm using. I read a few different reviews for several different magnetic primers and this one seemed to have the best overall feedback from everyone. Set up my podcast. You guys listen to podcasts? I love podcasts. I'm gonna listen to The Birth Hour. I'm a little birth junkie. Giving birth in India.
The day kind of went to other projects, but Val has painted the magnetic primer on one time. I'm routing this doorway so that it's flush because I'm going to be adding a piece of trim at some point soon. I did myself. I could have stopped, but I don't know, I just wanted to finish. So that combination worked pretty well. This is definitely a tool right here that you need. And for $40, that thing is really useful. Paid $50 at a pawn shop for this. Kinda useful too. Hey Nomi, how you doing today? You're okay?
Yeah.
You're a little cranky since your nap?
Yeah.
That's okay. Can I have a high five? Boom, always down a high five. You want hugs?
No.
Oh, okay. What you working on there, Val? So Val's doing the second coat of the chalkboard paint.
I'm not a painter, but I'm trying my best. No, I'm not. I'm trying to get the job done. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be in a dark hallway. Nova's not a tough critic.
It's totally fine, babe.
It is? Wait,
Yeah.
when you turn the camera off, are you gonna tell me that it looks like crap?
No, I'm just telling you that it's fine. Like,
It's not good?
if it was amazing, I'd tell you that too.
You know, it could be better.
Wow, Nate.
The only thing I like about this is the color, not necessarily the painting.
Cool, bro.
We're gonna have a barbecue, so I think I'm gonna sign off for the day. Bye.
Bye!
What's up, Gilligan family? It's your boy, Jay Smizzle, back from the dead. No, not the dead, just another vacation. Got the vacation beard to prove it. This time we went to Philadelphia to see some family. We were hoping that a new relative would join us, a baby, but she's not ready yet, so we'll let her cook a little bit longer. Also got to see one of my childhood best friends, Box. At 31 years old, he kicked butt. Clip is coming right here. Boom, 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 boom. Back to work. It's looking incredible in here. We left it looking all scenic. So I got my drawer slides, I got my door. I'm going to attach it to this wall. Wow, that's heavy. Now, a couple details about the install. I need this to be a 1/4 inch off the ground so that it doesn't drag on the ground. So I got a piece of 1/4 inch plywood. I'm going to be screwing my drawer slides in here. I've learned that when you're working alone, often the answer to your question is clamps. I actually only have these 2 clamps and one other. Seem to be able to make it work every time, so when in doubt, use clamps. Kind of works. Alright, so first try hanging this door. I've got a couple thoughts. This was always going to be an issue because the ceiling is not level because it's being pressed up in various areas. So this is okay, I got no problem with this. I think this is fine. Down here, I got the perfect little like 1/4 inch gap and it never touches the floor all the way back. Along here is good, but then when I get to the bottom here, I've got this decent sized gap, and I don't know if that's because this is at a square. Once I put the trim on, I'll see how it looks because I think it's gonna help me out a little bit. So we'll see if I need to do any modifying down there. And then the last thing is that you can see through here, which I guess I didn't really think about, but of course you can. There will be another 3/4 inch piece of trim out here, so you'll see less of that. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with this. I think that's a heck of a sliding door right there. Alright, so I got a piece of 3/4. I'm gonna go here, and I just gotta scribe the top of this. I got a nice tight fit. I remember saying I was done scribing, but apparently I'm not. So I think I got a nice tight fit. Oh yeah. Alright, just cut this piece. I really strongly feel a piece of 1x3 cut to size would look way better. I'm not doing that. I don't know if I'm going to regret it. I'm just going to make that comment. This doesn't look as good as it could to a lot of carpenters. I've ordered some shims that are about 16 inches long, so it's got a better taper. You now can't really see into the bathroom anymore. You have to stand all the way over here to see anything at all. This is what it looks like when it's open. It's going to be held here by magnets. I'm going to have a hole here, probably maybe those golden ones, another one here. And then in here, because I can't have a pull, I'll have 2 little holes that you'll grab with your fingers. And that's a bathroom door. This was cool. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.